Hello and welcome to the 101 Earth Observation Virtual Lecture Series. This series is delivered by the Satellite Applications Catapult in partnership with WILDLABS. This lecture is about Earth observation derived products which are publicly available. As I mentioned in previous videos, Earth observation data is used to derive information. This information can come in form of products. And some of those products, they're actually already there, available to the public, so without the need of processing data to derive that specific product. I have taken this list from Google Earth Engine, which has a large repository of Earth observation derived products, and we'll go through them one by one. So derived products can be relative to vegetation, such as the PMLV2, which includes evapotranspiration product at 500 meters at 8-day resolution, or topography, such as topographical properties such as landform, like classified peaks, slope, valleys, as well as topographical shading and so on from ALOS or SRTM. Still on the topography, we have products such as the MTPI, which is used to distinguish ridge from valley forms, 270 meter resolution, topographic diversity, so variety of temperature and moisture condition available to species as local habitats. Vegetation again, or forests, GLCF, so this is the Landsat Tree Cover Continuous Field, which contains estimate of the percentage of horizontal ground in 30 meter pixel covered by woody vegetation greater than 5 meters in height at 3 different times. Water, same product, but Landsat Global Inland Water, so which describes surface water bodies. Again, forest, non-forest, so in this case from Pulsar 2, so Pulsar 2 it's a SAR type of data, so there is a product such as the forest, non-forest map. Water again, GRC, so this is all in alphabetical order, so the sort of mix between different disciplines. So GRC, which is like the global surface water mapping layers, so with the location and temporal distribution of surface water from 1984, so quite a long time ago, to 2018, monthly 30 meter resolution. MODIS has a lot of products associated to the mission, such as land cover type, with the 500 meters yearly global description of the land, as well as the dynamics, so which is the onset of greenness, the maturity, peak, senescence, and so on. Still on MODIS, leaf area index product at 500 meters. Temperature, surface temperature at 1 kilometer from Terra Aqua is another available product, as well as water mask at 250 meters. Another one here is the GLDAS, which is the Global Land Data Assimilation System with several land surface parameters at 30 kilometers, but every 3 hours. You can appreciate here now the trade-off between resolution and time. So the timelier we are, usually the coarser the resolution. Global forest canopy, it's at 90 meter resolution, canopy height, sorry, and also forest change at 30 meter resolution. This is called the Hansen Global Forest Change. And in the middle, we have another product of leaf area index and absorb photosynthetically active radiation. This is actually an interesting one, since it's again since 1981 captured daily at 5 kilometers. There are several products from WWF linked to hydrosheds, so hydrologically derived parameters, such as the hydrologically conditioned dam, the drainage direction. In this slide, there is actually at the beginning also another product, the WCMC product on below ground biomass. So WWF, as I was mentioning, has several products linked to the hydrology, hydrosheds, flow accumulation, hydroshed basin level, hydroshed free-flowing river networks. And as I explained, so there are different products here that are already available to the user to be downloaded and to be inspecting. So those are all freely available, freely accessible, and they are really touching different aspects of and these different disciplines, as we have seen, from agriculture to forestry to topography to hydrology and so on.